What are your legal obligations as a landlord in changing laws? Imagine trying to keep up with a moving target. Laws affecting landlords change often, and staying on top of these updates is key to managing your property smoothly. When laws shift, your responsibilities can also change, so it's important to be proactive. First, you need to regularly check your local and state laws. These laws cover everything from eviction procedures to rent increases and tenant screening rules. For example, some areas now requiring longer notice periods before eviction, sometimes up to 60 days. Others have new rules about how much you can raise rent each year, often capped at a certain percentage. Staying informed means subscribing to legal updates or working with a property management professional who knows the latest laws. Next, your lease agreements and policies should reflect these legal changes. If new restrictions on eviction reasons are introduced, your lease must specify acceptable grounds. For instance, some laws now requiring just cause for eviction, meaning you must have a valid reason like non-payment or lease violations. Updating your lease templates annually ensures you stay compliant and avoid disputes. When it comes to eviction, new laws often extend notice periods or add extra steps. Some jurisdictions now requiring written notices of at least 30 days before eviction proceedings begin. You must follow these procedures carefully and keep detailed records of all notices sent and tenant responses. This documentation can be vital if legal challenges arise. Tenant protections are also expanding. Laws may now prohibit discrimination based on income sources such as housing vouchers or prohibit landlords from refusing tenants for reasons like domestic violence history. Respect these rules to avoid penalties and legal trouble. For example, if a tenant presents a housing voucher, you cannot deny them solely based on that. Security deposit rules are changing too. Some laws restrict the maximum deposit you can charge, often equal to 1 or 2 months' rent. Others requiring you to disclose how deposits are held and to return them within a specific time frame, such as 15 days after move-out. If you charge a security deposit to a military service member, you might need to provide a higher amount or specific disclosures. Documenting everything is more important than ever. Take photographs of the property at move-in and move-out to protect yourself in damage disputes. Keep records of all tenant interactions, notices, and payments. This thorough record-keeping helps demonstrate compliance with laws and can save you from legal issues. Fair housing laws are also evolving. You must apply consistent screening practices and avoid discrimination based on protected classes. For example, do not refuse tenants because of their source of income or their race. Use the same criteria for all applicants to stay compliant. Transparency is another key aspect. Some laws requiring you to disclose lease terms clearly or offer tenants options like rent reporting to credit bureaus. Providing this information builds trust and helps you meet legal standards. To stay ahead, regularly review legal updates, update your lease forms, and train your staff on new obligations. Using digital tools to track notices and payments can also help you stay organized. Being proactive in adapting to legal changes protects your investment and keeps your relationships with tenants positive.